Hey guys, Ecotech here. Alright, so let's talk about this AK380 audio power amplifier. At first glance, this thing looks like one of those small, compact audio receivers that you probably wouldn't expect too much out of. But spend a little time with it, and you realize it's actually way more capable than it looks. What we're dealing with here is a 2.0 channel HiFi stereo amplifier that claims to push out 400 watts plus 400 watts peak power, with 40 watts plus 40 watts rated power. And honestly, for the size and price, it's impressive that it even gets close to those numbers. It's built for people who want that flexibility of hi-fi sound without committing to massive, power-hungry home theater systems. It's simple, compact, but at the same time practical and surprisingly powerful for its class. One of the big features right off the bat is the Bluetooth 5.0 support, which makes it super easy to connect to just about any modern device. Phones, tablets, laptops, TVs, you name it. The built-in Bluetooth core and the YD7377 chip are designed to keep the signal stable with no pops, no hisses, and no weird noise when you connect. That's always been a pet peeve of mine with cheaper amplifiers. The second you pair them, you hear a hiss in the background or a sharp pop when you switch modes. This little guy avoids that. It's one of those small touches that makes a big difference in everyday use. Now, when you're actually using the AK380, you notice that it's been designed for flexibility. You've got a multifunctional amplifier receiver here, with all the usual controls you'd want: volume, treble, bass, all right on the front with physical knobs. That's something I always appreciate because while digital EQs are nice, having dedicated controls lets you fine-tune on the fly, especially when different songs or sources sound off balance. And the LCD display with backlight is a nice addition too. It's not flashy or anything over the top, but it gives you clear visibility of your settings and modes so you're not left guessing what's going on. This thing is also way more versatile than you might expect from something so compact. You can hook it up in your car, at home, or even take it to a party or bar setup. That wide application support is a big part of why this amplifier makes sense for people who don't want to be locked into a single environment. It plays nice with a ton of devices: mobile phones, computers, tablets, notebooks, MP3 and MP4 players, TVs, and even projectors. Basically, if it can output audio, the AK380 is probably ready to take it in. And the fact that it's so portable means you can carry it around and set it up wherever you need sound. Ease of use is another area where this thing shines. You're looking at support for 4 to 16 ohm speakers with 40 watts rated power. It also comes with a remote control, which is great if you don't want to constantly walk up to it to make adjustments. Plus, it supports USB drives, memory cards, and plug-and-play functionality. That means you can literally throw a few tracks on a U-disc or SD card, plug it in, and have it start playing without messing around with any extra software. And of course, Bluetooth wireless connection makes it even simpler for quick streaming. The included 12 volts 5A power supply is pretty straightforward, though if you already have a 12 volt/5A adapter lying around, or if you're adding this into your car's system, you can actually just use that instead. One of the most underrated features here, though, is the FM tuner. This is something you don't see often in small, budget-friendly amplifiers anymore. The AK380 comes with a built-in FM tuner and even an FM antenna in the package, which makes a huge difference if you like listening to local radio. The reception is clear thanks to the antenna, and the memory function can store over 20 of your favorite stations, which is actually really convenient. It basically makes this amplifier a complete media hub, whether you're into streaming, plugging in your own files, or just turning on the radio. In terms of design, the AK380 is exactly what you'd expect: compact and functional. It's not winning any design awards, but it's small enough to fit pretty much anywhere without being intrusive. The mounting options include car mount and plug mount, so whether you're setting it up in your home entertainment system or wiring it into your car, it just works. The build doesn't feel premium, but it doesn't feel flimsy either. It's right in that sweet spot where it feels like it'll last if you take care of it, without adding unnecessary bulk or cost. Now, let's talk sound, because that's really what this is all about.